What is a group of flamingos called? A flock, a colony, a flamboyance, a parade. The correct answer is a flamboyance. What animal is famously known as the ship of the desert? Horse, camel, donkey, llama. The correct answer is camel. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that is divisible only by 1 and itself. What is the next prime number after 61, 62, 63, 67, 71? The correct answer is 67. Kailashthasu martial art originated in which country? Japan, Kazakhstan, China, Mongolia. The correct answer is Kazakhstan. Seafood is primarily made up of which macronutrient? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, sugars. The correct answer is proteins. In which sport would you use a 7-iron? Tennis, golf, baseball, cricket. The correct answer is golf. Which European city is home to the world's oldest astronomical clock? Prague, Paris, London, Rome. The correct answer is Prague. On a pedigree chart, which shape is used to represent a male? Circle, square, triangle, diamond. The correct answer is square. Which group of immigrants brought Halloween traditions to North America? Italians, Irish, Germans, French. The correct answer is Irish. Black gold is a nickname for which valuable resource? Coal, crude oil, gold ore, natural gas. The correct answer is crude oil. What connects muscles to bones? Veins, tendons, cartilage, ligaments. The correct answer is tendons. Which ocean contains the highest number of underwater volcanoes? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. What is the deepest lake in Africa? Lake Tanganyika, Lake Victoria, Lake Malawi, Lake Chad. The correct answer is Lake Tanganyika. In which country was Buddha born? India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan. The correct answer is Nepal. What type of symmetry does a snowflake have? Radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry, hexagonal symmetry, spherical symmetry. The correct answer is hexagonal symmetry.